In our previous video, we talked about the 10 clever ways to eat healthy on a tight budget. Here's 9 more ways to keep the list going. 1. Replace meat with other proteins. Eating less meat may be a good way to save money. Try having 1 or 2 days per week where you use other protein sources, such as legumes, hemp seeds, eggs or canned fish. These are all very inexpensive, nutritious and easy to prepare. Most of them also have a long shelf life and are therefore less likely to spoil quickly. 2. Shop for produce that is in season. Local produce that is in season is generally cheaper. It is also usually at its peak in both nutrients and flavor. Produce that is not in season has often been transported halfway around the world to get to your store, which is not good for either the environment or your budget. Also, buy produce by the bag if you can. That is usually a lot cheaper than buying by the piece. If you buy more than you need, you can freeze the rest or incorporate it into next week's meal plans. 3. Buy frozen fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits, berries and vegetables are usually in season only a few months per year, and are sometimes rather expensive. Quick frozen produce is usually just as nutritious. It is cheaper, available all year and is usually sold in large bags. Frozen produce is great to use when cooking, making smoothies, or as toppings for oatmeal or yogurt. Furthermore, you gain the advantage of being able to take out only what you're about to use. The rest will be kept safe from spoiling in the freezer. Reducing produce waste is a great way to save money. 4. Buy in bulk. Buying some foods in bulk quantities can save you a lot of money. Grains, such as brown rice, millet, barley and oats, are all available in bulk. They also keep for a long time, if you store them in airtight containers. This is also true for beans, lentils, some nuts and dried fruit. These are all staple foods that are relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of healthy meals. 5. Grow your own produce. If you can, it is a great idea to grow your own produce. Seeds are very cheap to buy. With some time and effort, you may be able to grow your own herbs, sprouts, tomatoes, onions and many more delicious crops. Having a continuous supply at home saves you money at the store. Homegrown produce may also taste a lot better than the store-bought varieties. You can also guarantee that it is picked at the peak of ripeness. 6. Pack your lunch. Eating out is very expensive, especially if done regularly. Packing your lunch, snacks, drinks and other meals is less expensive and way healthier than eating out. If you have adapted to cooking large meals at home, you'll always have a steady lunch to bring with you without any additional effort or cost. It does require some planning, but it should save you a lot of money at the end of the month. 7. Use coupons wisely. Coupons are a great way to save some money. Just be sure to use them wisely. Most coupons are for unhealthy, processed foods. Sort out the good quality deals from the junk, and stock up on cleaning products, healthy foods and other staples that you'll definitely use. By cutting the cost of products needed around the house, you can spend more of your budget on healthy foods. 8. Appreciate less expensive foods. There are a lot of foods available that are both inexpensive and healthy. By making some adjustments and using ingredients that you may not be used to, you can prepare many delicious and inexpensive meals. Try increasing your use of eggs, beans, seeds, frozen fruits and vegetables, cheaper cuts of meat and whole grains. These all taste great, are cheap, especially in bulk, and very nutritious. 9. Buy from cheap, online retailers. There are several online retailers that offer healthy foods for up to 50% cheaper. By registering, you get access to daily discounts and deals. What's more, the products are then delivered straight to your door. Thrive Market is a very good online retailer that focuses exclusively on healthy and unprocessed foods. Buying as much as you can from them can save you money. So what's the take-home message? You don't have to break the bank to eat well. In fact, there are many ways to eat healthy even on a very tight budget. These include planning your meals, cooking at home, and making smart choices at the grocery store. Also, keep in mind that junk food costs you twice. Bad health comes with medical costs, drugs and even reduced work capacity. Even if eating healthy was more expensive, which it doesn't have to be, then it would still be worth it down the line. You really can't put a price on good health.